So hello again, primary 2. We're going to complete our lesson, which is we're going to subtract, but this time we're going to subtract with hundreds. You know, 300, 400, 325, and so on. So let's start. My first example. Now here I need to read the number. Where do I start reading? From the hundred. It's 547. This number is 122. Okay, let's start by representing the first number. Okay, 5 hundreds and 2, 3, 4 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 ones. Okay, good. Now we are from where do we start? We start from our ones. So we're going to start by subtracting. We're going to take 2 from the 7. So let's start by taking with our ones. We're going to take away 2. We're going to remove these 2. How many do I have left? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. Okay, now we go to the tens. We have 4. We want to remove 2. So let's remove 2. Yes. How many remain? 2. Now we go to the hundreds. How many do we have? 5. And we want to remove 1. So let's remove 1. How many do we have? 4. So the result of subtracting 547 from subtract from it 122, we get 425. Okay, next. Read the number first. 364. This number 200, and this, can you read this? 14. 214. Very good. Good job. Let's represent the first number. So it's 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 4 ones. Now we are going to start from the ones. So 4, take away 4. Do I have anything remaining? Let's see. These are 4 ones. I'm going to remove the 4. I don't have anything remaining. How do I write this? Yes, it says 0. Let's go to the tens. We have 6. We're going to remove 1. How many do we have left? 5. Now we go to the hundreds. We have 3 hundreds and we want to remove 2. So remove 2. What do we get? 1. Good job. Let's continue. Now read this number. It's 652. I'm going to subtract 526. We are going to do the same. We're going to represent the first number. 652. 652. 600 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 ones. Now start with the ones. 2 take away 6. I have 2. Can I take away 6? I have 2 oranges. Can I eat 6? Of course not. What are we going to do? Yes, the same thing we've done with in the last video. We're going to take one from the tens from our next door neighbor, and we're going to break it down to, now I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this 110, I broke it down to 10 ones. Now I have how many ones? 10 and 2 make what? 10 and 2 make 12. Yes, now I have 12 ones. Take away the 6. Let's take away the 6. These are the 6. I'm going to remove them. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 left. Or we can count from 6 to 12. Okay, now I have 4 in the tens. We're going to go to the tens. I have 4. Can I take away 2? Yes, we can take away 2. So remove the 2, you have 2 left. Now the 6, go to the hundreds. The 6, we're going to take away 5. How many do we have left? Only 1. Good job, primary 2. Let's take another example. Now read the number first. 561. And this 357. Let's represent the first number, 561. These are 500s and 6 tens and 1 ones. Let's start with the ones. Let's take 1 from 7. Let's take 7 from 1. I have 1. Can I take 7? I can't. So what do I do? Yes, the same thing. I'm going to take 1 10, change it with 10 ones. So 10 and 1 make how many now? Now, first our 10 became 5. Our tens became 5. And 10 and 1 make how many? Yes, good job, 11. 10 and 1 make 11. Now can I take the 7 that I want? Yes, I can take the 7. Let's remove the 7. How many do I have left? 4. Good job. Now let's go to the tens. So this is 5. Take away 5, what do we get? A 0. I don't get anything. I don't have anything left, so it's a 0. Now we go to the 100. Now 5, I have 500s. I want to take away 3. Let's take away 3. How many do I have left? 2. Yes, good job. So subtracting 561 minus 357, we get 204. Let's see. So let's start by reading the number. It's 706. The other number is 353. Okay, good job. Let's represent the first number. It's 700. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 706. I don't have any tens. So let's start by the ones. 6. Take away 3. We're going to take these 3. So we are left with 3. Good. Now let's go to the tens. Don't have any tens. And I want to take 5. Can I take 5? I can't. What shall I do? I will go to the hundreds. Take 100, change it with 10 tens. Now I have 10 tens instead of this 100 that I had. Now the 100 became 6 and the tens became, because I didn't have any, so I'm going to put here a 10, and the 100 and the tens became 10. Now can I take the 5 that I wanted? Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we go to the 100. I have 600, so I'm going to take away 3. Look at that, I took 3 out, so I am left with 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Good job. Let's do the same thing that we done the last video. We're going to do without representation. Now this number is 939. I'm going to subtract 653. Start with the ones. 9 minus 3. I can take 3 from the 9. You can get out 9 on your fingers. Take out 3, you will get 6. Okay, now let's go to the tens. 3 minus 5. I have 3. Get out on your fingers 3. Can you take 5? No. So you're going to take from where? From your hundreds. Take from the hundreds. The hundreds became 8. How about this one that we took from the hundreds? What did we do with it? Yes, we divided it into 10 tens. And we have 3, so we have now 13 tens. Now 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. We can count from 5 till we reach 13. Okay, now 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, let's read the next number. 284 minus 117. Let's start from the units. 4 minus 7. Get out on your fingers 4. Can you take 7? No, you can't. So you have to do what? Yes, take 1 from the tens. The tens will be 7. And this 1 we took, we're going to change it with 10 ones. So 10 and 4 make 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7, yes, because 7 and 7 is 14. Now go to the tens. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then we go to the hundreds. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, let's see another example. 605 minus 551. Start with the ones. 5, take away 1, it's 4. Yes, get out on your fingers 5 and take away 1, you will get 4. Let's go to the tens. 0 minus 5, I can't. I don't have anything, I cannot eat 5. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take from my hundreds. My hundreds become 5, and then change this one to 10 tens. Now I have 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 5 is 5, because 5 and 5 is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 5 minus 5, 0. We don't have anything. Should we write 0 here? No, because 0 on this side does not have any meaning. Still the number is 54. So leave it. Don't write it. Let's take our last problem. Start with the ones. 0 minus 7. I don't have anything. Can't take 7. So I'm going to take from the tens. The tens become, yes, I took this one. I had only one 10, so I took it. So the tens become a 0. Now, what did I do with this 10 that I took? Yes, I am changing it to 10 ones. Now, can I take 7 from the 10? Yes. How many do I have left? You can get out 10 on your fingers and take 7. You will find that are left with 3. Now, here the tens became 0, and I want to take 1. Can I do that? No. What shall I do? I will go to the hundreds and take 1 from it. The 100 will be 5, and then I am going to do what with this one that I took? Change it to 10. So this is now 10. Now the tens became 10. Now 10, take away 1 is what? 9. You can get out 10 on your fingers and take away 1. You are left with 9. Now go to the hundreds. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is it for this lesson, primary 2. I hope that you understood the lesson. I hope that you're doing your homework and you're following. I hope that you are all alright and safe and staying at home. See you next video. Goodbye. Till we meet again, goodbye.